So finally, time to think, how am I going to take my fitness business to that next level? What am I going to do?
Well, that happened. I feel like I fell for the lie that once I became successful in my fitness business, growth would become easier, but instead, I'm working harder than ever, and I feel like I'm still stuck at that same level. I built a solid business, and I want real growth. I want freedom. I want higher paying clients, and I want a business that can run without me. So my business wasn't built just to work more hours. I wanted to build a business to have an impact, to create the lifestyle that I truly wanted. You good? Yeah, why? You're talking to yourself, just checking. Just talking to my phone. You know, yeah, baby. Okay then. So I'm just gonna call Mitch at New Results Marketing and make this easy.
Mitch, the business owner, how you doing?
Mitch, hey, I want to take my business to the next level. I'm stalled. I don't know what to do. You know, I'm posting content, I'm running ads. I'm burning out, to be honest with you, and I'm doing it all. What am I missing?
So let me guess, you think the answer is getting more clients?
Yeah, more clients, more money. Makes sense, right?
But no, that's the trap. You don't need more clients, you need better clients.
Better clients?
So think about it. Are your current clients paying top dollar? Are they easy to work with and they stick around and refer others and they actually value what you do?
No, not really. Some haggle on price, some don't stick around very long. I mean, there's a core few that I like, but most of them, no.
Yeah, exactly. You have built a solid foundation and you got to be proud of that. Now, the problem isn't you, it's actually the foundation you're building on. So if you want to break through, you need to attract high value clients, the ones that want to pay what you're worth, that respect your expertise, and that make growing way easier.
Gotcha, but how?
It's a great question. You need to stop chasing broke clients and focus on these 4 things. So number 1, you want to redefine your perfect high ticket client, because if you're talking to the wrong people, nothing's going to work. Number 2, you want to craft a high value offer. So when the right person sees it, they say, hey, I need that. Number 3, you want to master your messaging so the right people lean in and the wrong ones, they scroll away. Number 4, a simple video ad strategy to only attract high value clients consistently and that works for you 24/7.
Damn, that actually makes a lot of sense.
No kidding. Now, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, the right way, and want a predictable flow of the right clients coming into your business, making your business fun, and that actually see the value of your services, subscribe to the New Results Marketing YouTube channel and turn on notifications. I drop content weekly showing you exactly how to do this.
Wait, subscribe. Subscribe to what? What are you talking about?
Dude, you're literally an ad that's attracting coaches to subscribe to my YouTube channel, New Results Marketing. This will make sense when you see the ad.
What, really? Does that mean I'm going to be famous?
Yeah, I guess so. Look to your right. You're going to see my camera guy, Rob. He's filming right there.
Hey, Rob. Be sure to subscribe to the New Results Marketing YouTube channel if you want to attract high-value clients and take your fitness business to the next level.
What he said.